it's still hard for us to talk about the camera on any iPad, because it means us accepting that people will be taking snaps with a tablet, and that's something that shouldn't happen. We're almost annoyed that Apple decided to make the camera sensor so competent on the new iPad Pro, as it means some people will be encouraged to take pictures with it. There's a 12MP sensor with optical image stabilization on the back, with an f/1.8 aperture. The front-facing sensor is 7MP, and comes with the same power as on the iPhone. Just be careful when taking a photo with the flash on, as the screen is so big that it's rather blinding. The results are strong though, and in bright light the photos you'll take will look especially great, with the larger display allowing you to really appreciate the snaps you're taking. The front-facing camera, which is arguably the more important of the sensors, is very good too, capturing natural-looking pictures even in darker conditions. It also comes with live photos functionality and the ability to take a square picture, should you be desperate to make Instagrammable snaps from the front of an iPad. However, using the camera with other apps shows that it is worth having the powerful sensor in the camera on the iPad Pro, as scanned images and text are much sharper thanks to the improved brightness and clarity on offer. The iPad Pro is also an excellent tool for editing photos, able as it is to handle complex tasks with impressive speed. However, for the person on the street who doesn't have in-depth knowledge of photo manipulation, there's probably too much power on offer here, as the basic photo editing tools, allowing you to tweak the color and white balance, or apply an effect, are just fine. Importing photos from the cloud makes more sense here, as it enables you to make use of the clear and bright screen to properly edit and enhance your images.